Welcome sa Digital Career Builders, your one-stop resource hub for your digital career needs. So for today's video, one of the ways that we can make money online is through domain reselling. So ano ba yung domain reselling? Domain reselling is simply like you resell domains. Ganun lang talaga siya. And beyond this domain reselling, you can also offer to resell hosting. You can also offer to cloud hosting. You can also resell VPS servers, dedicated server, and you also have the email and security backup. So yan yung pwede natin i-resell. So with that one, pag gusto mo mag-start for this one, you simply have to sign up to the providers like Reseller Club. And to give you an idea, ano yung nasa back-end. So, pakita ko na sa inyo what's the back-end. Okay, click ko lang yung sa ano. This is my dashboard. So, yan. Ganito lang yung sa back-end ng domain. Okay, and then dito may mga specific products. Halimbawa, nagsisell ka ng domain ng mga what you call this one, mga products. So meron lang isi-set up mo lang kung ano yung product na gusto mong i-offer. So halimbawa, ayan, meron dito nakalagay, meron silang back order, merong Weebly, may WordPress hosting. Kung gusto mo naman ng domain, Linux hosting, meron sila. And then we also have the SSL certificate. So ito yung mga products na pwede mong i-resell actually. Pero ang titingnan lang natin ngayon is for you to give you an idea anong pwedeng pwede nating i-offer on how or anong pwede nating ano yung many ways on how we can make money online, and that is again to offer domain reselling. So I'm going to click on here the domain kasi domain registration muna. So you get an idea, okay? So with the domain registration, ito yung list ng mga domains na pwedeng mong ibenta. So all you have to do is i-manage, pipili ka lang kung ano yung mga kung ano yung magiging domains na gusto mong ibenta. So halimbawa, sasabihin mo magbebenta ka ng .biz.com, pwede yan. So, halimbawa, magbebenta ka ng .career, pwede siya, i-click mo lang yung sell, okay? And then, after that one, click mo lang, and then save. Ayan. So, it's actually something like that lang. And then, back lang ako sa dashboard. And then, okay, domain registration. And then, what else? Go back lang tayo dito. Dito, pwede mo rin siyang i-manage mo yung mga prices. Ayan. So, ayan. So, dito ka na customer pricing. Pwede ka mag-offer ng customer pricing. Ikaw rin yung magsiset ng prices. Magkano yung magiging profit margin mo dito. Ayan. So, that's just the idea. Ito yung mga halimbawa, itong .biz, halimbawa yung .biz na domain, kung titingnan ko dito, the .biz domain is, it's 1,049.71. So, yun yung kumbaga dito sa baba, yun yung amount na offer ni Reseller Club. And dito, mo na lang siya, mag-a-add on ka na lang, magsiset ka ng prices using your profit margin. So, halimbawa yan, since yung una na is 1,049, so ito na mag-a-add, ayan, papalitan ko na lang kasi nga, siya, so, 1,049 na kasi yung 1,049 na kasi yung una. So, sabihin na natin magdadagdag ka lang ng 200 pesos. Halimbawa, so sabihin na natin 1,200. Halimbawa lang. Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, kung 1,049, may tutubuin ka na, let's say, around 100 plus. Yan. Halimbawa lang yan. Okay, ganun lang siya. And then, yan, 1, 2. Okay. Okay, sabihin na natin ito. And then, after you set yung pricing, i-save mo lang yan, mag-a-update ka lang ng mga pricing. Unfortunately, ito, ano na pala to, kailangan baguhin to, no? But, yeah, kailangan babaguhin siya. But, again, all you have to do is, but basically, that's how it looks like when you are offering, when you are offering mga domain or domain reselling. Okay? So, yan yung background. And then, meron ka rin dito, when you offer also with, pwede rin siyang may sarili kang branding. Meaning, sarili mong brand na walang kinalaman sa reseller club. So, ang brand mo lang talaga yung makikita as the, what you call this one, yan yung pwede mong, again, ipakita na, sarili mong brand. So, but this one, let's say for this one, ang sa akin, okay. So, halimbawa, ito, hindi ko kasi siya naka-customize, but ganito yung itsura niya. Is something like this. Ayan. So, ganito yung itsura pag nagre-resell ka. Ito yung magiging brand. Ito yung magiging brand. What do you call this one? Ito yung magiging parang brand, what do you call this one? Yung brand URL. So, syempre, kung gusto mong yung may talaga sariling brand, then you get to have your own domain name. Okay? So, yan isa. So, paano ba ako ang next is, paano ba ikaw bibili for this? Paano ako mag-provision ng domain? Okay? So, let's say, for example, nandito ako sa screen na to. Ang gagawin ko is, maghahanap ako ng check availability muna. Okay? So, let's say I have here, gusto kong ng website, domain. Gusto kong bumili ng domain na, check ko kung meron ba, stylekinharmony.com. Research ko. Okay, so meron, available siya. Okay, tingnan natin that. Okay. So, it's 740, yung price na, original price. Ayan. And then, since available siya, tingnan ko kung .net. What if .net? Ayan, 7 or what if online? Try ko kung online. Wala siya, no? But, ulitin natin. Okay. Okay, ulitin ko. Stylekinharmony. Tingnan ko lahat yung .com, .net, ayan, .io. Tingnan natin. Yan. So, makikita mo how much yung Okay. So, kung halimbawang .org, it's 567.15. Pero pag .com, it's 714. So, palitan pa natin that. Dagdagan ko pa na ibang extension. Okay. Yan siya. Yan, tingnan natin. Okay, so kung gagamitin ko is Stylekinharmony.biz, it's it's 379 lang. Okay, so itong mas mura. Hanap lang ako ng iba pa. So, halimbawa, so ito yung company. Okay. So, hanap lang ako ng ibang what you call this one, ibang extension or domain name. Okay, try to info. Try natin. Okay. So, let's see, for example, for that one, search lang natin ulit. Okay. So, tingnan natin ang alin dyan yung pinaka tips is 1, 2. Okay. At this, I think I'm just going to, okay, I think gusto ko yung .com kasi pag, ito kasi, 379 na siya, pero pagdating kasi ng, like, 2 years, medyo mahal na siya pag kasi 1,276. Pag ganito, 379, mas mura siya ngayon. Pero pag next na, mag-aan na yan. Pag 300, so 1,276. So I have to go for .com na lang. Okay? So ayan. I-click ko lang yan, add. I'm going to click on add. Okay? And then after that one, added na. So, ibig sabihin yan, kukunin ko yung Style Keen Harmony. Style Keen Harmony. Okay. So, after that one, i-check out ko lang siya. Check out. Okay. So, ayan. Okay. And then, so 714.76. Okay. Unfortunately, wait lang. Kulang pala yung funds ko, but paano mo siya, pag ganito, paano mo siya, 714 kasi pero 701. So kulang pa. So kailangan, when you purchase it, may fund na nakalagay dito. So, I'm going to add funds. So, paano mag-add ng funds? So, click ko lang yung add funds. Okay. So, how much yung kulang ko? It's 14. Lalagyan ko lang ng okay, ulitin natin ha. Ulitin ko. Okay. So, balik lang ulit ako. Ulitin natin kasi nag-out siya. Wait. Ulitin ko lang kasi kulang yung fund. So, what I'm going to do is to add fund. So, i-click ko lang yung add fund. Okay, andyan siya. So, kailangan ko ng $50. No, $1. Pwede na yung $1 or gawin mo $1.50. Kasi may existing fund na eh. Okay? Yan. So, i-click mo lang yung submit. Ayan. Ay, ayaw. Okay, ulitin natin. So, kasi ibig sabihin pag ganyan, wala palang laman yan. So, dito tayo sa may laman. Ulitin natin. Okay. Release all orders. Hold on. So, mag-add funds ulit ako. Add funds. Ito yung add funds. And then, try ko yung PayPal. Dapat yung PayPal would be, sabihin na natin, 1.50. Ayan. Subukan natin pag PayPal. Click ko yan. Okay, hold on. Wait lang muna natin. Lagyan ko ng kailangan ko. So, I just have to input muna. Okay, so again, what I'm doing is I'm adding funds to my reseller. Ayan. After that one, may plan. So, i-complete to. Try natin kung gagana ba. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin yan, it was successfully added. So, kaya ang fund ay, nandito na siya, is 13.57. Okay? So, again, bibili ako ng domain within the Tanaw. So, all I have to do is, again, check availability. And then, after that one, try ko kung available ba yung domain. Okay, ayan. So, I'm going to click search. Okay, so, ito yung pipiliin ko yung 714 kasi yun yung pinakamura. Supposedly, 567, kaso lang pagdating next year, magwa 1,009 na yun. Or pag ito naman, that this, ang original price kasi niya is 1,276. So, ang perfect na ano talaga is this.com. So, i-click ko na yan, add. And then, after that one, check out ko na. So, 714.76. So, meron akong 770. So, ibig sabihin pwede siya. Okay, and then, after that one, confirm. Okay, so ayan, 714. And then, okay, place order. So, all I have to do is click on my place order. Okay. Ayan, so, okay. So, basically, andyan na yung ano, ganun lang yung na set up ko na or nabili ko na yung domain. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, hihintayin yan. May 24 hours yan. Ayan. So, actually, ito na yung na-purchase ko na automatically yung domain name. Okay? So, that's it about domain reselling na idea. So, this is just sharing with you the back end of when you do domain reselling. So, this is the platform. Okay? So, yeah, so once again, this is Digital Career Builders, your one-stop resource hub for your digital career.